So we're going to be starting off under the car. And by the way, this is a 92 Toyota pickup, the same one we did the clutch in. What we're doing is replacing the good old muffler. So we got our handy dandy cutter, saws off. There will be a link up somewhere around in that general area to the clutch job if y'all are interested in watching that. Ear protection. We're going to use this tool right here, and it pops out these little exhaust hanger pieces. I don't know how well y'all can see this. There it goes. I am blocking y'all 100%. Come on, get out of there. Now the tool gets stuck. That's just great. Use the tool to get it out, and then the tool gets stuck in there. Alright. Let me see if I can show you all this. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but here is my hand. There's this little rubber piece. This goes inside the rubber piece, and that presses up against it. Get on the other side. Just like that. You have a muffler off. Now let's do this out of here. Here's our new one from Walker. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off the little hanger pieces and probably weld them to this right here. And then I do have an exhaust piece right here, like a little elbow. And we're going to hang it down like that, so he's got like a little exhaust pipe. And all I'm going to do is just weld around right there. Alright, I'm about to weld this onto it. Do not judge me because I am in a pair of hay dudes. And there we go. That is on there. And if I have to trim it off a little bit, that'd be alright. Because just wanted it on there enough so water doesn't get inside of it on the back side. But now we're going to kind of put it up and try to put it where it needs to go on the car. So I got it tacked up there right now, and I'm going to cut this tip off right here just a little bit because it is a little long and it's sitting on the differential, which kind of helped me hold it up in place. But I put the hanger pieces back into the rubber hangers, and then I just tacked them on top of that little bracket that they have welded on top of there, and now we can just weld them out, and that should hold it. Just caught my MIG gun. Alright, now all I gotta do is weld. I know I'm moving y'all around. That's gotta weld that piece right there. I know I didn't clean it off. It's just exhaust, people. Don't worry about it. You can clean it if you want to. This right here burned through it. I was a welder for like 20 years before I became a technician. But, and I was certified x-ray. I ain't trying to toot my own horn or anything, but on a MIG gun on an exhaust like this, if you want to clean it, clean it. If you don't. I know I'll get some heat from it, but it's going to hold just the same. So I'm going to weld that up real quick, and I'll put y'all where y'all can watch it. Also, it ain't got to look pretty as long as it holds. You ain't winning no beauty contest here, people. A little pan on this side. That top piece a little bit more. Alright, that should hold. for anybody who's wondering what I'm using for a welder, I'm just using this little Hobart right here, the Handler 190, runs off 220, and I got it on about 30 on the wire speed and setting 3, which is probably, I think that setting 3 is probably around about, I don't know, I'd say probably around 75 amps, if that, maybe 80. Alright, now what I'm going to do is get my Sawzall, and I'm going to cut that off probably right around there somewhere. She's on there good and tight now. I don't think she's going anywhere. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Just a little quick video, how to put a muffler on one of these. Just sawzall it off, put a new one on, put a tip on it, because these do not come on a tip. Let me show you the part. Like I said, this is for a 92 Toyota pickup. What's part number? It is a Walker. Kind of tilt y'all down. Right here, I think that's the part number. So Walker, and it's 18283. But there's the truck on the lift. If y'all got any questions, comments, concerns, I'll leave them in the comment section below. I know I'll have some concerns about not cleaning off the rust and all that good stuff. But go ahead and shoot them to me. I'll take them. But like I said, this is putting that on. It's quick and easy. Less than an hour for me to do this. And if y'all have anything pertaining to this truck, a different truck, whatever, hit me up. I'll answer whatever y'all shoot at me. I'll try to answer to my best knowledge. Getting tongue tied here at the end. But like I said, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll answer that a little bit quicker. Don't forget about the giveaway. We do have a giveaway going on. I'm leaving it up for 1 or 2 months. Go watch it, comment on it. I'm picking a winner. I'm picking 3 winners actually. Also, I do have new shirts. I showed the shirts on that video. I'll probably bring one in on the next couple videos so I can show y'all what they look like. If y'all are interested, hit me up on Instagram as well. And I do have hats and stickers coming also. But as always, until next time, torque this tight. Y'all have a great day.